Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Two things I want to try today. I want to try any street food that I can find. And I see a guy that sells a little beautiful mangoes that they cut into like flowers. I want to try that for sure. But I need to find something that's interesting, so let's see where we end up. Yeah, for sure. You guys use cards? Cash.
Well, we can take you to the bank if you want to.
What's the price list normally here? Sure, I'll check the menu.
Here's the shade and a bench if you want to take a seat.
I'll take a seat.
Here's the menu and the prices that we have and that we can offer you.
Gracias.
We have seafood. We have the Mexican dishes like tacos, burritos, nachos, salbutes, and panuchos. Are from the Mayan. It's like the typical Mayan food. And cochinita pibil.
These look pretty good.
We have tostadas, chilaquiles, enchiladas.
How far is the bank from here?
It's like one block.
One block?
Yeah.
Alright, so I was getting some help just now, but I don't have enough pesos because I was hoping that when I was buying the stuff from the stores I could possibly use a card, but I'm just gonna go to the bank now and pull some pesos so I can eat. I have enough money to eat, but like I don't have enough to feel like comfortable, like to tip somebody or anything like that. So I'm gonna head to the bank really quickly and see what I can get. Wow, guys, so I'm finally here. Like I'm so happy. One thing, and I'll tell you guys straight up, like when you're coming here, just make sure you just have all the US that you need from your home country, bring it here and just convert everything and just work yourself. For me, I wasn't sure about like the budget or how much I needed and stuff, so, but yeah, that's that. I went to the bank just now and got my exchange. You can see people playing music and stuff, and I'm here at the Cocina La Chaya kitchen. Alright. So to give you guys a good like idea, it's like in here it's like a big open kitchen, but like there are many different places, like different restaurants, but like everyone's sharing this whole same dining area kind of. Yeah, it seems pretty chill here. No thank you. It seems pretty chill here, and yeah, what I like so much about it is that the people here have been, you know, pretty helpful. The guy took me to the bank, which was pretty helpful of him. And for me, when I'm choosing like somewhere to eat, as I always say, like go somewhere where you see activity. Of course, as much as I want to eat street food and different kinds of food, I am a bit aware of like hygiene and, you know, flavor and taste. So I try to go somewhere that I see is popular. And people don't eat anywhere that's not good. You won't find like a lot of people eating at the same place. So that's my little rule of thumb. Alright guys, so you can see I got my tostadas, cochinita, which is a pork tostada. Pretty much it's just a fried tortilla. Salsa. Spicy?
You can take it.
Okay.
It has onion, cucumber, and pineapple, and also habanero.
Okay.
Lemon and vinegar.
Gracias. So I'm going to be using that on top of this. Of course, you know it has also avocado. As I was saying, it's a tortilla that is crispy, and I'm going to be excited to try all of this. Alright, let me get this bad boy over here. What I like to do, I always try to taste the sauce first. It's a little bit spicy, but not too much. I'll just put that all on top of that. You can tell it's going to be good. Like you can tell it's going to be great.
Escuchamos a Ayy Camera hablar sobre las sensaciones de aquel domingo. Una última ronda a la que llegabas como líder, a aquel nivel, se descorta. Pero luego terminaste con un bastante pequeño. Entonces, ¿qué pensé? Me quedaban 3 hoyos para construir lo necesario. Y el resto, con mi compañero sería el origen de la...
There's also refried beans in there. Wow. The sauce, not so spicy. Okay, gracias.
Yep.
Wow. He just brought my other dish. I kind of wish he waited till I was done with this one, but it's okay. This is really good. So there goes the garlic shrimp. I like that the shrimps are like still whole sized. It's cool. Of course, rice, tomato, and all that basic stuff. But let's see. Yeah, that looks so good. All right, let's try. Wow. This is very good. A touch bit, a little bit too salty. But there's so much flavor in this. Wow. I've never had shrimp prepared in this way before. It's almost like a grilled type of garlic shrimp, because you can taste the char off the shrimp, which gives it a nice little flavor. Of course, crispiness, I like that. But the shrimp is so big. It feels not like the jumbo shrimp that you find in the stores and stuff that feels like it's almost artificial looking. But these look very native, like something that you could literally catch out of a river. Wow, it's really good. Oh yeah, this is it. Now I've tasted that, I'm gonna come back to these because the topping is a little bit juicy, so if you wait too long it's gonna ruin the crispiness of the tortilla. So let me just get back to these bad boys. Oh yeah. Welcome to Mexico. Some salsa verde. This one isn't spicy, he said. Some onions and pineapples. A little bit of pepper. See that? This is super fun to eat. Oh my god. plantains. They said fried bananas, but I don't think those are bananas, so I'll try and tell you. Alright. Let's get this party started. I'm so heavy. Alright, I'm on the last one. As big as these things are, they're pretty light, to be honest. Super easy to eat. They'll feel you for a second, but like after an hour or two, you're gonna be hungry again anyway, so don't be intimidated. People always say before my videos they need to grab a snack. I hope you guys did. This is Mondo. Alright, so at first I was a bit nervous because I was like, yo, it's too much food, but as I said, you can put it away. Like, to eat just that a while ago, it wasn't so bad. Now to the shrimp. I realize here, Mexican rice, the texture seems to be similar to like Chinese, meaning the rice is sticky. Which in truth, I prefer the rice to be shelly, meaning like each grain is by itself individually. But it's good. And the shrimp is really easy to eat. Like some people waste the head. I'm not wasting the head, I'm eating everything. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, sure. Es que como ya no estoy en la Florida tampoco, me casé hace 3 años.
What I am doing is neutralizing the saltiness of the shrimp with the lettuce. It helps. It's good.
That's why it's always good for
Man. I'm enjoying this. I'm gonna try the plantains to see if it's really plantains or bananas, I don't know. I'm confused. Looking at the size of it, it looks like it's a banana because it doesn't seem like it's cut anywhere except like down the middle, like in half. So I think it is a banana, but it tastes like plantain. It's a banana. You definitely won't notice a difference though, to be quite honest. For example, like my girlfriend, she loves her plantains like super ripe. So this has the texture of more of a super ripe plantain, but if you like it to be firm, maybe not. But it tastes exactly the same. They're from the same family, so yeah. I know some of you have been asking me like what's my favorite food here since so far. It's tough, man. I think maybe that night with Luis when I went to the tacos place, that was really good. The reason why it felt like my favorite night, my favorite food, was because of the taco, like the tortilla, whatever. You know, as I always say, I'm not really a big fan of tortilla, but that tortilla tasted really good, and it worked really well with the taco. And then I like the whole environment of the fiery thing burning the meat. That was super cool. I really enjoyed that. But everything here so far has been like really good. Like really good, really interesting, really new. It's great trying different foods that are prepared in different ways, because I'm sure most of you have already had shrimp before. Like shrimp is like whatever. But like when you try it in a different way that you've never had it before, then you know, look at that. I'm putting some of this little salsa thing on top of it. Boom. Wow. So, I have a question for you guys. Like, what is your preference? Like, do you prefer having like shrimp or lobster? For me, I love lobster because of the size of it, and there's like a lot more meat to it. But I realize that lobster isn't like as flavorful as shrimp. Like, you can put shrimp in anything, and it just, to me, absorbs the flavor like mad quick. It's ridiculous. What do you guys think? I think shrimp is better, but I prefer the size of lobster. It is way more meat. This could be you, but you need to come to Mexico. This dish here with the shrimp, 160 pesos, which is like about $9, $10, which isn't bad. You know, as I'm sitting here eating, I realize that the cultures are pretty similar. Like, here I see that the kids are walking around and they're selling the same things I already got. They got bracelet selling and stuff. And it's the same way in Jamaica. I don't even know if it's something where it's like, oh my gosh, you know, that's sad or what, because today it's a Thursday. Those kids should be in school. I don't know, man. What you guys think about that? You know, this is my thought. Like every kid that walks by, I don't need a product because I bought the same things already. But I want to, in my head, I want to buy it. But like, again, I'm thinking like, should I support it? You know what I mean? And should I support like these kids having to come out here and work? I'm sure these kids want to play. Like they just want to run up and down and play football or climb or do something like that or go to school. And if I buy these things, I am telling their parents or whoever that yeah, it's okay, because people are going to keep buying from kids because they're kids, you know? I don't know, man. The world is different. Wow. You know, I'm just sitting here and just thinking about these thoughts, not to be too deep or anything, but you know, once you come to different cultures, you can have one or two things. You can have culture appreciation, where you look at the culture and you appreciate it. You can have culture shock, where you're just so surprised by like everything. You're just like, yo, what on earth is happening here? Or you can see similarities in your own culture. And for me here, I do see a lot of similarities in my own culture. You know, because me saying that, what I saw about the kids, it happens in Jamaica too. Like I do see it, and it makes me, you know, it makes me realize that sometimes when we look at our own countries, we have to understand, like, you know, what exactly is happening. Like, you know, it's how people have to, you know, try to survive. You know, and then every time you take these trips, sometimes it gives you the opportunity not just to just to eat and, you know, make YouTube videos, but to say to yourself, you know, thank God that, you know, you have the opportunities to do stuff like this, to eat food or to go to work, or, you know, not to do some stuff that you see other people having to do. And here it's giving me like so much appreciation, like with the blessings that I have, you know, had in my life. Like I'm here and I don't have like a lot of money and all that stuff, but I have enough to like eat and try different foods and take a cab, and like it just makes you look at life and go, yeah, you know, thank you God for these rich blessings, you know. So they just came around just now, they asked for tips for the playing music, so I tipped them just now, and yeah, they didn't just do it with me, with everybody else they ask, and you know, music is being played, but guess what, there are like 3 chocolate women beside me now. So since I've been here, it's been like 5 pieces of chocolates that I've seen. It's pretty interesting. Maybe I might go over and start talking to them, I don't know. But yeah. Wow, man, I have to tell you, man, my stomach is full and I just want to get to a bed right now. Let me tell you, man, the itis follows you everywhere. My thing right now, I just want to hurry up and just get through this part here really quick, because I need to get to a bed. I need to get to a bed like super quick. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna hop into this taxi right now. As I tell you, taxis are like everywhere. There's just one just waiting right here. So I'm gonna hop into this taxi and gracias, mi amigo. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much back home. I'm just walking through the corridors here. Here's the thing. I paid 40 pesos to get there, and coming back I paid 80 pesos, which was kind of like a stupid move by me, because I know how they think. They think because they're leaving you by the Mercado 28, they're gonna give you like a tourism price. It's best to like walk out back to like maybe like on the main street and take a cab from there. That way they're not looking at you as like, oh, he went to a tourism price, because they're gonna pull out their chart and they're gonna show you like, oh, this is where whatever. So I paid like double the fee, but nonetheless I don't really care, because I didn't feel like I wanted to walk out anyway. But that's just a tip, you know, just to save some money. Like, try not to appear too much like a tourist or take cabs to the tourism zone. It could help you save a few bucks here or there. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Maybe in the next video I'll show you guys around the complex, because it's pretty nice. This has been the better Airbnb, I believe, except the first one felt more like a family. This one is good too, but just the amenities are way nicer. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Remember to see things, love, nature, adaptation, and always remember to keep the link.